crap, I locked the door. Get the kids out. What? What? What is this? What? What? What is this?
At 2:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. High wind watch in effect from late Monday night through Tuesday evening. West southeast wind 30 to 40 miles per hour.
Yes, I took my meds. When did we start toning high wind watches?
Portions of northeast, northern, southeast, and southern West Virginia. Wind from late Monday night through Tuesday evening. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines.
I wonder if FM will
Scattered power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecast and warnings for updates on this situation. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to onset of winds. Report severe weather.
Hard to the money down the dance like this. They got it.
4, 0, 1, 9, 5, 3, 4. They also post your reports of the travel when publishing a Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag service. High wind watch for the following counties in West Virginia. Northwest Nicholas, Southeast Nicholas, and Southeast 9.4 megahertz at 2:14 Eastern Standard Time. Service Monday night west southeast wind 30 to 30 miles per hour, south to 60 miles per hour possible. Wind portions of northeast, northern, southeast, and southern West Virginia. Wind late Monday night. In Morgantown, light rain and fog at 37. At Parkersburg, cloudy, 38. At Lewisburg, cloudy, 37. And at Clarksburg. For the greater Charleston area, east at 12:37 p.m. Rest of today, cloudy with a chance of drizzle. Rain showers with a chance of snow showers. Little or no snow accumulation. Air setting temperature in the upper 30s.
What, Zaria? Because I'm surprised. Something was different than I was expecting, Zaria. What? I'm sorry. Since when did we start toning HWAs?
Since when did we want?
High wind watch for the mountains. Of winds like 20 to 30 with gusts to 60 for like tomorrow, I think, or later today or something. High wind warnings I've heard officers tone before. We never toned high wind warnings, but now we're toning the watches?
Oh.
Which means there'll probably be more to come with what? You know what? Sure, Zaria, sure. Thank you. But yeah. But yeah, I've never heard us tone those before.
Watch the door. I got the door down on the dishwasher.
I wanted to encourage shin injuries. I want to get the doctors in business. You need to respect that, Granny. I'm making sure that the doctors can still have money to be able to feed their families.
Yeah.
Trying to keep Vicky in a job, having to manage everything. So let me hurt myself.
Well-
Let me drive. You should be encouraging me to hurt at that point. You should be encouraging me, take your scooter, drive it down the steps again, just so those poor innocent doctors can have work in the morning.
She's in safety now, so I have to kind of watch that for her. She's in the safety department.
I'm still making sure that everyone has their jobs.
Oh, okay.
So if you'll excuse me, I'm going to drive your scooter down the steps a couple dozen times and make sure the ambulance drivers...
Just to have a joy ride, huh?
You should be encouraging this. I'm making sure people have work so they can feed their families. I'm looking out for the greater good, Granny.
Oh, yes. That's someone else, not yourself.
You ever wonder where my folks went wrong raising me? I'm basically saying, let me hurt myself so the doctors can keep getting money. That's why I'm saying, where did y'all go wrong with me? Thank you. Ow. Did I close the door? Did I? Thank you, Zaria. Did I close the door?
What door?
The door to my bedroom?
I don't know.
Yeah. Sorry about the rampant screaming, but
Yeah, no need for that.
it's not much louder than the radios themselves going off. I mean, you see how many of them I've got in there. I mean, you see all the antennas poking up. Nice toasty clothing.